I'm headed to the sizzling hot Fulton Market neighborhood in the West Loop, to a location that's a short walk from McDonald's headquarters, Google offices, a CTA stop, and a fabulous dining and nightlife scene for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new 166. I'm in apartment 910, looking west toward the United Center and the nearby medical district. Turning into a bright space with high ceilings and plank flooring extending throughout. Space for a home office desk. Have your bedding, comfort furniture. Closet has extra linens. Floor to ceiling windows have roller shades. A very sleek one-wall kitchen. Really good cabinet and counter space, and since it's Sweet Home, it's kitted out with everything you need to move right in and feel right at home. You have your countertop appliances, cookware, dishware, glasses, cutlery, you name it. Just bring your suitcase. Kitchen has 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. Soft close, contrasting lower cabinets. There's a 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop. French door refrigerator with an ice maker in the freezer. There's a tile backsplash under cabinet lighting. And again, welcome home goodie bag with drinks and carbs. Looking for the front entryway. Turning into the bath. We have a nice sized bath. There's a frameless glass door and a walk-in shower. Wide vanity with drawers for storage. And hotel-like services with toiletries and tissue, etc. Entry doors are keyless. You have a hall console table to set your keys on, an additional closet, and behind a louvered door, full-size, front-loading washer-dryer. 166 is pet-friendly. Amenities include a well-equipped fitness center, an outdoor pool deck, co-working space, resident lounges with a demo kitchen and a gaming area, and a sky garden. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more furnished short-term apartments in Chicagoland and other locations. They're a sweet deal.